Two more. One. And two. Straight at it. 10 burpees. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have an 8-minute EMOM, but that includes 16 different exercises. So within each minute, we're going to try to complete 2 exercises. The way this is set up, we do 1 exercise followed by a second exercise, and that second exercise is repeated during the first exercise of the next minute. So we just keep on going through it. It's 8 minutes long, pretty simple. EMOM meaning every minute on the minute. So we try to get through as fast as we can and get a little bit of rest. We're starting off with 20 squats followed by 5 push-ups. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 20 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2 on the ground for 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's it. We got 26 seconds of rest. Now we're going to repeat the push-ups, but this time we're going to do 20 push-ups and 10 sit-ups. Whew. Heart rate's already rushing. We're only a minute through. All right, we have 10 seconds. So let's get down on the ground. 20 push-ups followed by 10 sit-ups. Done within the minute. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Flip on over. 10 sit-ups. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You might as well stay on the ground. Next, we got 20 sit-ups and 5 burpees. That's coming up in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more, then we go 5 burpees. 1 and 2. Get up quickly. 5 burpees. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1 and 2. Straight at it. 10 burpees. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. 5. 20 Russian twists. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 10 more. 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Stay right down here. We're going for 50 Russian twists. Let's go. 1, 4, 7, 9, 10. Come on. 20. 30. 40, 10 more. All right, get up. 5 jump squats, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. Get to catch our breath. I get to catch my breath for the next 15 seconds. Not easy. All right, that was kind of the crux of the workout. Now we're starting off at 20 jump squats, followed by 5 hands to toe for core. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway, keep up. Come on. 8, 2 more. 1 and 2. 5 hands to toe, nice and easy. Make it 6. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Keep it even. And 6. Whew. Stay right down here. We're starting up with 20 hands to toe, followed by 10 jumping jacks. We're almost done, guys. 2 more minutes left. We're starting in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tempo, tempo, tempo. 9 and 10 and up. And just give me 10 jumping jacks. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. 1 more minute left, guys. We get to rest for 15 seconds. We've got 1 more minute of exercising left. 40 jumping jacks and 10 plank jumps. So 50 jumping jacks. Some are horizontal, some are vertical. We're getting ready in 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 40. 1, 9, 10, 1, 20, 1, 25, 6, 7, come on, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, on the ground, 10 plank jumps, ready? Let's go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Woo! Yes, the middle of this workout was definitely the crux of the workout. Barely got through those, but you know what? Got through the middle part, hardest part of the race. Then it was downhill, we saw the finish line, we conquered it, and we got it done. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50, guys. My name is Paul. Take you through workouts every Monday and every Thursday for over 500 workouts right now. Come back for more, give me a comment down below, give a big old like, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.